welcome to testing 5, 6, 7. No, it's what 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
7, 8,
9.
9. 7, 8, 9.
Yeah, the confusion is there in our head because already hum ye kar chuke the on the weekend, and then
as a title.
Yeah, as a title, as an episode. And
tell them what Kabada Tarara.
So in trying to get Jaggu to not be bewildered by where is camera, where is Tarana, where is anybody.
I like how you started to get Jaggu not to be bewildered.
But Jaggu's not looking bewildered right now, correct? Because हमने उसके computer पे बोला कि you use this sort of setting. Then I thought to myself, I should also use the same type of setting. What is that setting? Basically, everybody's on Zoom, right? So we know that at one point.
So there's speaker view and there's gallery view.
And so we did speaker view as an experiment. It helped Jaggu. It really helped me finish some 25-30 minutes of conversation, and then I realized कि उन्होंने वैसे ही record किया है. उन्होंने मतलब मैंने वैसे ही record किया, and it was very bizarre because like 5 minute only Jaggu, 5
there
minute
is a
only
small Jaggu, big Tarana, and then suddenly small Tarana, big Jaggu.
No, there was no small wall. It was just alternate.
Oh, okay. So what I got going is the person, well, I have small thumbnail and big picture across the screen. So clearly we have different settings.
Mine was the who knows now. Anyway, so then I went down one downward spiral. You might have seen on Insta, I put up like, I'm very upset with myself and all. Remained upset for very long. Many phone conversations with experts. That would be my friends. And you lot. So many people have like, DM'd and said, Arey, kuch nahi. Trial and error का तो यही मतलब होता है. Why are you being impatient with yourself? I think my problem is, Jaggu, it's the patience, and secondly, usually I understand things quickly, but ye tech jo hai, it is like a whole new world, and so I'm getting frustrated.
So see, errors will be made, which is the whole point of doing trials. We will keep doing trials till the point that we're confident about going live. Okay.
Yeah.
In the meantime, we're still putting out a show.
We should.
So don't worry about it. There will be hiccups in the show. Like sometimes I might come without my shirt because I forgotten to wear it. I'm a good one for walking around in my ganji at home. All these things could happen. Don't worry about it.
It's okay, Jaggu, with the current lighting in your house, even if you're in a ganji, to kuch nazar nahi aayega. You will be back at the wall. No. So little bit Jaggu's lighting has improved because there are 2 lights on him. We still have to get those professional lights.
They are blinding me.
Rubbish, kuch nahi pata chal raha.
No, if I look at, they're like spot lamps. So if I look at it and then like
and we've realized natural light jo hai, wo mere ghar mein zyada ghante rehti hai because I'm a little bit higher than he is. And I'm like, why is your house one dark hole? It's like, it's not a dark hole.
I've put on my like ceiling lights. I've got 2 lamps next to me. I'm dark skinned now. Let's just learn to live with it.
No, you are looking fine. It's just that the back looks a little bit dark. Anyway.
There are 6 lights that are on at the back. Yeah.
So back to like let's focus. Welcome back. Thank you for being part of the family and friends edition of the trials of the Jaggu and Tarana show. We do realize the 200. We're quite amazed there are 200 of you, but 200 of you are our intimate like sort of circle. क्योंकि आपके सामने तो कुछ भी आज तो मैंने बाल भी नहीं किया है. I've like sat down with like wet hair, which is now starting to dry. So you will see. And and you're invited into our home.
I'm having a small problem with my hair.
It's looking fine.
No, so I've gone for a haircut, and because I go to slightly, he's a very good guy. He knows what he's doing.
He's Lebanese.
So this is short. This is short, and then there is supposed to be a parting over here, which is there. But the point is, up to the parting, it's short, and then it's long. So the short stuff is supposed to be on the side, and the long stuff is all supposed to be combed one way. Okay, you're with me so far.
Sort of.
Now what happens is that at the back, when it like sort of gets a little disheveled, one choti comes. But
abhi filhal to nazar nahi aa rahi.
Like Ponga Pandit, I start looking like.
But we can't see it.
Okay.
Yeah.
If it comes up like 10 minutes into this and all, let me know because I have to like flatten it out.
Then just keep a pair of scissors, Jaggu, next to you.
No, it doesn't work like that. I'm not going to mess with him.
I can come down and cut your hair while we continue to stream this.
And this is why we do this on Zoom.
Yes.
So no.
Yes. Okay. So as you know, we're experimenting with content. Bottom line, we've chatted with you over the years on a daily basis. We're trying to get to exactly the same sort of vibe, except that you can see us. Also, if it is stressful that, but in the, we used to have you running in the background, we could hear you and we were concentrating on work. You can just put the video off, na? I mean, like have it playing. Don't worry about like looking at us. It's really like not like beauty pageant going on right now.
Well, speak for yourself. I look hot.
Very.
There you go. But yeah, just in the background also works. That's how it's been happening for the last couple of decades. Why? Because
I mean, we are not vain and we don't particularly need you to like look at us like this with like great attention.
Correct.
However,
if you're looking at my shindy comes up, let me know.
Okay, excellent. So this is your almost daily dose of interesting khabars from around the world. Usually random things catch our eye, and we've decided anything catches our eye should be shared on this wonderful friends and family circle on YouTube. And not sure aapka weekend kaisa gaya, but Jaggu, there is so much more we could have done instead of just like sitting together and lamenting about the fact that our technology quotient is rubbish.
So I wasn't lamenting as much for the simple reason that, so my wife is traveling. She's going to be out for a little bit of time. So people are feeling bad for me. And I've decided that there's no shortage of food in my house. People have decided that they must feed me. So I have a friend who's regularly 2-3 times a week sending me food, which is always excellent. I had Thai curry last night.
Very good.
But also people are inviting me over for one-off dinners. So the weekend was packed with dinners. I had mutton twice.
So Jaggu's gone out, socialized. I have felt very bad about my technological skills and called Azar people to basically hear the same thing, which is like, don't panic. But Jaggu, here's what we could have done.
What?
We could have been like Nick Anapolsky. Nick Anapolsky, a Canadian CrossFit athlete.
I couldn't have done that.
But this is quite like awesome because so he runs his own gym. So gym ko publicity dene ke liye, basically they live streamed this event, but the event was trying to get a Guinness World Record. And if what you do is like you're a CrossFit athlete, you can't say main so ke dikhaunga for a Guinness World Record, right? You do something.
He has to do something fit.
Yeah, so he did. Now, Jaggu, I hope you remember what a burpee is. And I hope everybody remember what a burpee is.
Sort of go down on your haunches and come back up, no?
Well, it's a push-up, a squat, and a jump in a fluid exercise.
Yeah, I don't know what a burpee is.
You start with, Jaggu, you've tried it also and you're terrible at it. Anyway, so you basically do push-up, then you come back into like a squat position, and then you jump up and down, and then you continue.
I remember that.
Yeah, so the challenge once for Jaggu was to do about 10 in a row. He managed 2.
Don't lie.
You did 2, Jaggu, and said, "Nahi, I will have a heart attack. I don't know more."
Probably gave you a dozen.
No, you didn't.
And you're just remembering the extra.
Please. Oh, please. Anyway, so Jaggu can manage 2 or 3, but he's not somebody who's ever done a burpee, so that's fair. But an expert like Nick Anapolsky has managed to do 879 burpees
at one time
in 1 hour. Matlab non-stop in a row.
1 घंटे में नहीं होएगा यार.
But and he has broken the Guinness World Record, but only by 9 burpees. His aim was to go to 900. But towards the end of that at the end of that hour, he started to get tired and form jo tha, wo thoda like cheating types hone laga. But not really.
So they didn't count some.
So they didn't count some. But anyway, he broke the world record and he's very pleased. And 879 burpees in a row. Like, I don't know. Like, it's certainly not what we did on the weekend, but that's like one extreme of what we could have done.
I assuring you, weekday or weekend, I will never spend my time doing it. I guarantee you that now. It's not going to happen. 879. Like, I would take multiple weekends to get it done. I would take the rest of the year to get to that point.
Yeah, but then we are not particularly fit or marathoners. But if you are, dear watcher, dear viewer, maybe now, 879 to nahi, at least 87 burpees you can try next weekend.
You do 10% of it. You do 87. I'll do the 0.9.
Yeah. Also, there was a birthday celebration by a chick in America. And her problem seems to be pretty much like the kind of problem a lot of us in India, Pakistan would probably experience.
Okay.
Road digging. Right?
Right outside her house?
Yeah. right outside her house. And so anybody from Bombay right now would understand कि like Bombay ki khudai, which is the digging, is 24/7, 365 days a year. And it's something that like every Mumbai car, every Bombay, it is like, yeah, this happens. Turns out it is true for a lot of places. But in America, in like a reasonably well-known town, you would not expect it. But 1 year ago, Jaggu, the municipality came and dug up the road to fix it or whatever.
COVID in the beginning may not be.
And 1 year later, it was still dug up, and there was they hadn't really fixed it, and there was a 6 to 8 foot deep hole. So in order to draw attention to this, she has just thrown the road construction a birthday party by making a cake. She made a cake, which is a sponge cake, and it looks just like the road. And she's used peanut butter and whatever.
Okay.
So the road ka replica as a cake, and balloon laga ke, she sat on the road and threw a birthday party for one. Of course, it's going viral, and I think she's a cake maker, so it was a good idea.
So 1 minute, people came for the birthday party, or she just did it for photographing purposes?
Yeah.
I think that's fabulous. I'm thinking, hopefully somebody's paying attention and the road will be repaired soon. Hopefully. By next birthday, let's see what kind of celebration she does. Yeah. In the meantime, Guddu chori ho gaya. Guddu is a bhains in UP, Uttar Pradesh.
Okay. A bhains is a buffalo, and Guddu, the buffalo, seems to have gone missing.
Yeah, gone missing. Ye 6 mahine pehle ki baat hai. 6 months back.
Is Guddu dead?
No.
Is Guddu a steak?
No.
Just asking. I don't want to hear a sad story.
No. Guddu is very much alive.
Okay.
Guddu's been found.
Okay.
So Chandrapal Singh found one day, got up, found Guddu missing. Guddu is like member of the family types. With a name like Guddu, it must be member of the family only. Na?
Yeah.
It's very important bhains in the lineup of.
It is a pet name for a buffalo, of course, yes.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So he immediately went to the cops. Cops said, cannot file your case. Why? Not because you are not right, but because of something called the crime control formula, where basis that formula, they are trying to bring down crime. So there's 2 ways to do this. You actually bring down crime, or you just don't register the crime. It never happened. Hua hi nahi to, I mean, control ho raha hai na. So anyway, he decided to take matters into his own hands, and he's been running all over the place looking for Guddu.
Yeah.
He's in a town called Shamli.
Okay.
Guddu has been found in another shed in Saharanpur.
Which is far from Shamli.
I am guessing so.
Well, it's not the same place. Okay.
It's not the same place. So he has gone and he said, "Ye to hamara Guddu hai." The person in Saharanpur who owns the shed where Guddu is now stationed said, "Nahi, this is my bhains.
This is Mittu.
It is not your Guddu. This is Mittu. What Guddu?" So he's very upset. So I'm so impressed that technology has trickled down to the grassroots.
He used AI to find and track Guddu. There was a geotag.
He wants a DNA test done on Guddu. Because Guddu's mummy is with him. Mummy is with him. So now DNAs can be matched. So he's saying DNA test karwate hain. What is all this nonsense?
So are the police okay to do a DNA forensic test on the buffalo?
I'm not exactly sure that the police over there know how to do these things. But that is his demand. And the demand is being voiced quite vociferously because, hey, we're talking about it. Like news mein aaya hai.
Yeah. No. And it's amazing. So Shamli sounds like a small little place.
Yes.
But I mean, this is not technology trickling down, Jaggu. This is the reach of OTT platforms and crime shows.
He's been watching crime patrol type things and saying DNA testing.
Yeah, crime patrol, or like some one of those detective series, and it's like DNA testing is available. I have the mother, and buffaloes are usually known to produce enough saliva. I don't need to take permission, and I can get it done. I really want to know if Guddu's mom manages to get Guddu back into Chandra Prakash's ji's house.
Chandrapal, yeah.
Chandrapal ji's.
Well done,
excellent.
Well done.
I also in Eye on Japan, because I must always have my eye on Japan. This is quite fascinating. There is a Japanese girl. Let me try and show you her face. Can you see this?
Oh, yeah.
Quite cute.
Very cute, yeah.
Yeah. So she is a biker chick, okay? Rides cool bikes like this.
Oh, nice. Okay.
Yeah, so obviously has lots of followers because hey, I'm a Japanese chick and I'm
Yeah.
I'm a biker.
I'm a biker. Yeah.
I'm a biker and cute and whatever. So lots of followers.
Correct.
Except that when people would see all these images of the biker chick on her bike and all of that, they'd be like, biker chick is very cute,
Huh.
but why is her arm so hairy? Okay.
If I had seen the photograph with little more clarity, perhaps I would have asked the same question. Why is her arm so hairy?
So why is the arm so hairy? Yes, this rear view mirror. What is there somebody else in the rear view mirror? So as it turns out, the bike. So a television channel decided to investigate and reveal to the world what is the truth behind this new biker chick from Japan.
Even I want to know.
The biker chick is actually a 50-year-old man who is a biker.
Okay.
Is a bike is his. All the places he goes to are his. The photos are his. The hair is his.
Oh.
Yeah. But he's been using a face swap app as well as Photoshop to put a cute 20-year-old girl's face instead of his own face. And everyone was like, but why would you? And he said, because why would anybody be interested in an uncle?
Yeah. Oh, I see.
So my life is interesting. The bikes are interesting. The stunts I'm doing are interesting. But I liked this anonymity. So like I'm anonymous on the platform because I mean, they don't really know what I look like.
They don't know my face. Yeah.
Yeah, but I was sharing my life. Guess what has happened, Jaggu, with his followers?
They've gone through the roof.
They have, because they're like, uncles are cool too.
I'm not surprised. I am absolutely not surprised.
I'll try and show you okay, so this is the biker girl, right?
Okay, done. Yeah.
This is biker uncle.
Is there a picture of the hairy arm? No.
No. Quite cool.
Tarana, imagine if I did a face swap with a 25-year-old hottie.
I think you'd still have more following Jaggu as is.
Yo, okay.
You and biker uncle are like proof to the world that uncles can rock.
Correct. And I have some level of hairiness.
Ew, Jaggu.
I can pull it off. I can pull it off.
Please.
Asha, here's something that is not being pulled off very well.
Okay.
There's a gentleman from Dubai. I believe his name is Mohammed. So his hometown is in Kerala. Okay. So catches a flight after COVID and all, lands up in Kerala to meet his family, Kozhikode, if I'm not mistaken. So he lands up there. Customs guy calls him and says, "We believe you are smuggling gold and diamonds." He's like, "Where? Check
my bag.
I'm not carrying anything. I'm here to meet family. This is address and all of that. In your watch."
In his watch?
In his watch. So what they've done is that they've taken the watch. They could not find anything on the face of it. They have broken the watch. Like hathode ke saath, with a hammer.
Don't be ridiculous.
The watch is worth close to 50 lakh rupees. It is an Audemars Piguet.
That sounds like a fancy watch.
Deeply fancy watch. It is like Rolex ka baap variety.
Oh.
6 pieces. They have broken it. They have found nothing. They have come back and they've given him the 6 pieces and said,
"Shut up."
Sorry. Yeah. So he went bananas. Okay. He's like, "Hello, what is this nonsense?" So they offered him the equivalent of 10 lakh rupees. The watch is almost 50.
Wow.
They offered him almost 10 lakh rupees. He's gone mad. He's saying, either you give me the original or you pay me the full price.
No, buy him another one then. This is not right.
And he has a bill. He has a bill. So this is a watch that was gifted to him by his brother in 2017 in Dubai.
So it's a 4-year-old watch and he's just wearing it.
And he's wearing it and he's gone back and they said, "Well, we think you're smuggling gold and diamonds."
But do you think that somebody tipped them off or some enemy of his said, "That guy, his watch, there's something in it"?
even if you're doing a tip off, the tip off is look into the bag, look whether he has swallowed anything, X-ray le, and his point is valid. He's like, घड़ी में मैं कितना smuggle करेगा? How
I don't
much
know.
gold and diamonds can I
Lots-
put into a watch?
Lots of diamonds can fit, no, into a watch.
But you'll be able to see them now. You don't need to break the damn thing.
Yeah, and don't they have like tools or somebody to like do this?
So it seems the official way to do it is to get a proper technician to come in and open the watch, and you know, he can then put it back. Either you find something in it or you don't find anything. The point is that you can put it back together and give it to him.
Moral of the story: siblings should not give expensive gifts to other siblings.
Yeah, I'm good.
And even if you do not insist that, you know, I want you to wear it and travel to me.
Correct.
If customs is involved, because you never know what can trigger them into thinking there's something.
I'm going to make sure my sister sees this episode. No more expensive gifts for her.
Done.
Sold. I
Done.
like it. There is a silver lining to this story.
Yes,
Well
there
done.
is. Yes, there is. Okay, we're gonna go and we will be back tomorrow. As usual, we have forgotten to tell you to like, well, comment. We should have done it.
Comment, like, subscribe, share,
Yeah.
all of that. All
But
feedback is
The
welcome.
comments really help. And whatever, if you're like, maybe you can talk about this, or maybe, so any feedback is welcome. We're going to continue to do these trials and errors. Also now start telling us, what time do you think we should do this live? Because we'd really like to be able to interact with you. So we'll try and get everybody to sort of tell us. I don't know, Jagu and I instinctively feel we want to do this at about 11:30 UAE time, you know, which is basically around 1 o'clock.
Lunchtime India.
Yeah, lunchtime India, and a little bit, I mean, and 11:30 in the UAE, which could be your chai break time. If you can join us live, it'll be fantastic. We're not really counting on a lot of people being vela or free or, you know, available to be there. But we expect you to sort of through the rest of the day catch up. Okay, but tell us a time that suits, and we're expecting to do this for about 30 minutes every day. It could be 30, it could be 1 hour, it could be whatever. Yes, eventually we will try and get guests. We happily would. Right now, we're just trying to figure out our rhythm along
Right
with
now,
you.
yeah. We are also trying to see how we fit on the screen.
Yes.
अभी गेस्ट को लेके आएंगे,
like this.
उसको भी फिट करना पड़ेगा. नहीं, वो बाद आराम से.
So thank you for
Very good.
watching. We'll do a few more trial runs. Please let us know what you think. Remember to comment, remember to like, and if you know any other person who's part of this family, is familiar with us, or you think, Arey, must be introduced to, then please share with them.
Absolutely right.
Hmm.
Absolutely
Okay.
right. Okay,
Yeah,
time for
bye-bye.
us to roll. Bye, butterfly.
No, Jagu said properly again, bye, butterfly.
Bye, butterfly.